Elon Musk is no stranger to the world of bold ambitions. Time and again, he has taken on challenges that most would deem impossible, from revolutionizing the electric vehicle market with Tesla to reshaping space travel with SpaceX. But now, Musk has turned his attention to something even more groundbreaking, creating the world's most powerful artificial intelligence training supercomputer. This is Colossus, a technological marvel that stands as the ultimate AI powerhouse. Nestled in Memphis, Tennessee, on the banks of the mighty Mississippi River, Colossus is housed within an unassuming building that once served as an Electrolux factory. But while the exterior of the building is modest, what's inside is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Colossus is not just a supercomputer, it's a game-changer in the field of artificial intelligence, pushing the limits of what we thought possible in computing and AI training. We'll take you behind the scenes of Colossus, exploring what makes it the most powerful AI supercomputer in existence, how it operates, and why Musk believes it will shape the future of technology and humanity. When you think of major tech hubs, cities like Silicon Valley, Austin, and Seattle usually come to mind. So, why did Musk choose Memphis over these well-established centers of innovation? The answer is simple: speed. The location was not chosen for its tech fame or glamorous reputation, but for the practicality it offered. Musk needed a facility that could be quickly transformed into the AI powerhouse he envisioned, and Memphis delivered. The building that houses Colossus was originally a factory for Electrolux, a Swedish appliance manufacturer. The industrial park in which it's located offered the space, infrastructure, and scalability Musk needed to rapidly deploy this colossal AI project. It's a prime example of how Musk's obsession with speed and efficiency drives his decisions. Instead of spending years building a new, custom-designed facility, Musk found an existing structure that could be converted into the supercomputer training ground in a matter of months. But what makes Colossus so unique? Let's delve into the technology that powers this extraordinary machine. At its core, Colossus is the largest and most powerful AI training supercomputer on the planet. It houses over 100,000 Nvidia HGX H100 GPUs, all connected to exabytes of storage and powered by an ultra-fast network capable of handling an astronomical amount of data. In fact, Colossus has been hailed by Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang as easily the fastest supercomputer on the planet, and with good reason. This supercomputer is a massive leap forward in terms of both scale and computational power. It's designed to train Grok, an artificial intelligence model developed by Musk's company, xAI, which is rapidly evolving beyond a basic chatbot to become something much more powerful. The vision for Grok is ambitious. Musk wants it to develop into an artificial superintelligence, ACI, a machine capable of solving complex problems and answering questions that have stumped humanity for centuries. What's even more astounding than the technology itself is the speed at which Colossus was built. In just 122 days, a period of time that would typically take several years in the world of traditional supercomputers, Musk and his team at xAI constructed a system with an unmatched level of computational power. To put this in perspective, typical supercomputer clusters, even those used by tech giants, would have only a fraction of the computing power and would take years to complete. The speed of creation is a direct reflection of Musk's relentless pursuit of efficiency. Every aspect of Colossus was designed for maximum performance with minimal delays, from its cutting-edge hardware to its highly optimized cooling systems. Musk wasn't just building a supercomputer, he was building the future of artificial intelligence. Step into the heart of Colossus, and you'll find yourself in the data hall, the nerve center of the supercomputer. Colossus uses a raised floor data hall configuration, which splits the facility into 3 levels: the power system above, the cooling network below, and the powerful GPU clusters in the middle. The design is optimized for space efficiency and operational efficiency. Inside each of the 4 data halls, you'll find a staggering 25,000 GPUs working in harmony to power Grok's training process. Colossus utilizes an intelligent liquid cooling system to manage the heat generated by these high-performance GPUs. Water is pumped through massive pipes, absorbing the heat from the GPUs before being pumped outside to a chiller that cools it down, creating a closed-loop cooling system that minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency. The ingenuity behind the cooling system is not just about keeping the hardware running at optimal temperatures, it's about ensuring that Colossus can handle the immense computational load without interruption. Colossus operates at full capacity for extended periods, meaning that cooling is paramount to preventing overheating and system failure. The main drivers of Colossus's power are its Nvidia H100 GPUs, which handle the most demanding AI training tasks. These GPUs are housed in self-contained racks equipped with liquid cooling tubes to manage the heat produced by the GPUs. The maintenance process has been designed to be incredibly efficient, allowing individual GPUs to be swapped out without needing to shut down entire systems. Each GPU rack in Colossus holds 8 H100 GPUs, with a total of 64 GPUs in each vertical stack. Each rack is equipped with independent water cooling systems, ensuring that no single malfunction or failure affects the rest of the system. The racks themselves are modular, making them easy to remove, service, and replace as needed. This design significantly reduces downtime and keeps Colossus running at maximum performance. All this power doesn't come cheap. Colossus requires an enormous amount of electricity to run efficiently. Instead of relying on the traditional power grid, XAI has integrated Tesla Megapacks, massive battery units that store power from the grid and release it directly to Colossus. The integration of Tesla's energy solutions ensures that Colossus receives the most stable and efficient power possible. Musk and his team have addressed a critical issue that other supercomputers struggle with: power fluctuations. Even the smallest energy fluctuations can impact the performance of a supercomputer, so Tesla's Megapacks provide a steady, reliable source of power to ensure Colossus operates at full efficiency. The Megapack setup allows Colossus to run with near-perfect consistency, giving it the stability needed to perform AI training at an unparalleled scale. This energy solution will only become more important as Colossus expands, potentially doubling its size to 200,000 GPUs in the coming months. At the heart of Colossus is Grok, Musk's ambitious AI model that is rapidly evolving. With the new features and upgrades constantly being rolled out, Grok has recently gained the ability to analyze images in addition to text. This multimodal functionality means Grok can now interpret and respond to images, providing instant analysis or context, which has been integrated into Musk's X platform for premium users. But Grok is not just any AI, it's a step toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, an AI system capable of understanding and performing tasks at the level of a human mind. AGI is an intelligent system that can solve problems, think creatively, and learn without the need for specific programming. In theory, an AGI like Grok could solve the unsolvable, make unimaginable discoveries, and unlock the mysteries of the universe. Musk sees AGI as the key to advancing human knowledge, enabling us to tackle challenges from space exploration to quantum physics. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AGI also raises concerns about control and safety. Some warn that, if unchecked, superintelligent AI could pose an existential risk to humanity. But Musk is not alone in believing that, if harnessed correctly, AGI could be the key to a brighter future. In less than a year, XAI has raised $6 billion and is now valued at $24 billion. As competition in the AI space intensifies, Colossus has positioned Musk's company to lead the charge. With Grok rapidly evolving and Colossus at its helm, we may be on the verge of a new era in artificial intelligence. As Colossus continues to grow, its capabilities will expand exponentially, possibly shifting the balance of power in the world of AI. The question isn't if Colossus will change the world, it's how much faster it will reshape everything from technology to human existence. As AI giants like OpenAI grow nervous about Musk's rapid rise in the space, one thing is clear: the race to dominate the future of AI is only just beginning.